Laura here from My Heart Planners, and I'm here with my two little assistants, and we have gotten a really exciting package in the mail that I want to unbox with you. This is something that I have been eyeing for quite a while, and I finally had enough Amazon points to be able to get it. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it right here for you. And before I show you what it is, I want to take a moment to talk about the elephant in the room, which is this situation right here. I have been searching and searching for nails that I like, and that could probably be the topic of a whole other video, but suffice it to say, these are not winners. They've been on for less than 24 hours, so I didn't want to take the time to try to get them off. So this package has been waiting for me for like 3 days. All right, let's see. You want to take the bubbles? Oh, and we got several accessories, but this is our main thing. Oh my goodness, I can't believe how tiny it is. It's a Cricut Joy. I have a bunch of cutting machines, but this one, I love how tiny it is. I'm excited about the labeling possibilities and being able to take it to small spaces in our house. If you are a professional organizer, I think this would be amazing. I've heard a lot of professional organizers talking about taking it, you know, with them with clients because it's not so big. Okay, here it is. Alright, here's the outer box. It's not very, I mean, compared to the regular Cricut and machines like that, it is very lightweight, first impression. Yeah, and we got some accessories. We got more in the box too.
There's some toys in here.
Well, they're kind of like toys for mommy. Yeah. Do you like toys, Timothy?
What is that?
It's a cutting machine. Okay. It's nicely packaged. In here it has this little thing that says open me, and it has, here's the machine. This entire thing, it cuts vinyl, cardstock, all sorts of things. That's really fun. And then, let's see what else. We have a cord in here. Yeah, the cord's on the bottom. Here's what it looks like in the box. And it comes with, let's see, what is this? It comes with a pin, one pin. And here is the power cord. And remember, it does not have any other cord because it only connects to like your phone, iPad, computer via Bluetooth. That's part of the reason they're able to make it so tiny.
Yeah.
Then, oh, thank you, Timothy. Okay, this may not have anything to do with our Cricut Joy. We shall see. Can't always remember exactly what each thing is. Oh, okay, this has nothing to do with the Cricut Joy, but I'll show you this. It's the Magnolia Table Cookbook.
Can I have some bubbles too?
I'm excited about this. Yes. Okay.
Here.
Then, this is something that goes with there. Okay. So we're just going to cut this open, and I think this is the card mat, but I could be wrong about that. Nope, it's not. It is some Cricut paper, though. So this will be fun to use. I think this was on sale. I was really hoping this would have the card mat, but we don't have that yet. Yep, no toys to me. Okay, you want to take some stuff out of here? Show them what we got. You want to take some stuff out? We got these little tiny vinyl rolls. This is writable vinyl, so you can like label and cut. We got some pins, some craft writable. These card mats were sold out pretty much everywhere, so I'm gonna have to wait a little bit longer until I get mine. And yeah, so this should be fun to get out and use. Okay, so we have opened everything but this writable vinyl came with the machine. I apologize, the setup is not as beautiful. I do not have my usual helpers and things here right now. So, all right, here's what it says in the Open Me. I just want to show you everything you get. It says, let's get started. It says to go to Cricut.com setup, and it gives you a smart vinyl sample and a blade already installed. So that's very simple. And then you can add, obviously, do more things. So here's what comes in it. little piece of cardstock. I like that they give you at least something you could start out with. A piece of vinyl, smart vinyl. A little tiny mat, it's so cute. And a little, I don't know, warning or whatever you call that. And that's all that comes with it. So I guess I will go to, I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. Okay, before I plug it in, I figure I should take out the protective stuff. So I'll do that first. That's really all I see in there. It's just unreal kind of tiny, I must say. Like, it's surprising how little it is. Okay, so I'm going to the URL that they told me to. Sure. I've already installed the Design Space software on my phone. Alright, so it didn't really do anything but open Design Space. So I'm just going to plug it in. Like I said, no cord because it connects via Wi-Fi. Okay, it did something. Okay, so I just go to machine setup. I just cleared what I had on it. You select what you have. I did that. Yep, it is connected. I just select the accessory right here. Super easy. Then I'm gonna update it like it asked. So far, nothing to it. And it's very typical that they update or check for updates at the beginning of getting a new machine. Let's see. Oh, it seems to be pretty fast. It's already halfway through real time. Okay, it says, yeah, it still says rebooting. And then we can reconnect. So really very user friendly, like there was nothing else I could even push. That's good. They're registering it. All set up, continue. Oh, select an image. Sure, let's skip it. Okay, I'm gonna do a new project. And let's just put on some text and say, oh, let's find a cute font. Okay, and then I'm going to do a label that says toys. Whoops. Okay, so now you can see because of the inch marking, so this would be about 4 inches wide, like that. Okay, that looks good. Now what do? Let's say I want to make it. Click that. I'm going to do without mat. So I'm just going to load it in there. Then click continue. There's no continue buttons. Like there's no buttons on the machine. So weird. It does feel funny if you're used to other machines. Let's see what happens. Set material. Smart vinyl. Yep. Okay. Load tools. Okay. Load. Okay, that should be loaded. Then I loaded that into the machine. I don't think you do anything. And then you tap go. Okay, so I had to push a little bit, just slightly, to get that to load in, and then it did it, and then I just tap go. Alright, let's see what happens. Alright, looking good. Yeah, it is cutting. It cut, and it's done. That is that. And then I click unload. So I've just opened this up, got my card mat. All I've done is connect this to my phone, which I'm now using for filming. It was super easy. Now I'm gonna try it using it with my computer, so you can see the first thing I do, and I am going to be making cards. I think that's a really fun thing to do with this, if I can get these open. And if I don't end up doing a voiceover, you'll hear my kids playing ABC Mouse in the background. Let's get these out. Okay, so this card mat, like you can see how it lifts up there, so you can put already folded card into it, and you'll be able to only cut the top layer. So let's see. So these are the Cricut cards. So you put this is shiny, I don't know if you can see that, under there, and the shine will show through. So just gonna put it in like it shows. Interesting. Oh wow, it even has like where you exactly can get it lined up. So I think that's really nice. So you can make sure that it's straight, and I'm gonna push it all the way in there. That was very easy, very lined up. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to my computer. I'm not even sure that I have it hooked up yet. My Joy. Let's see. Oh, that's all you have to do. Well, that was like magic. That was nothing. Okay, let's hope that works out super easy. Okay, so I'm gonna I think I want to collect a project, and then I want to search for a card. Like, oh, there's one that says congrats. Oh, these are so fun. Ooh, I really like this one. There's a congrats. Oh, wow, these are really fun. Best wishes, friends forever, thinking of you. Oh, I really like this thinking of you too. Just for my first one. Okay, this one looks good. And then it does say the Cricut Joy. Okay, so that's everything I need. It even tells you to go to the help section if you need help. All right, so let's make it and see what happens. And I also have access, so like that's their subscription. So right now I don't have to, like there's a lot of stuff included. Okay, so I've got this on the mat. Yep, I want to continue, that looks good. That's interesting. Okay, so I haven't really done anything to try to connect it, so I'm wondering if that could be part of it. It's not showing up as like an option, but if we open Bluetooth preferences, oh, here it is. I just had to connect. Okay, now it should be connected. Now, okay, good. It says Joy, it's found it. All right, that wasn't too hard. I think you just have to do that the first time to like authorize it to connect up. There we go, we got it, perfect. It's gonna make sure we have all the updates. I feel like I probably do, but maybe not. Okay, it's up to date, yay. Okay, yep, I like the artwork. Continue, it's gonna probably tell us to put this in. Okay, so set material. I feel like it's this one, yeah, with the insert card. That blade is already loaded into the machine, and then we just load the mat in, and there's no buttons on the blade itself, which is crazy. So I just pushed it low, and it like took it. Okay, make sure it's aligned. Click go. All right, let's see what it does. See, I think you can see it. Okay. All right, it's starting to cut. And it gives you like a little percentage, starting with this little decoration. Shows it's 14%, 16. Those are real tiny. I'm interested in like, yeah, it is moving a little bit. Like I feel like super intricate cuts wouldn't work well. Oh boy. Interesting. And then it's kind of, whoops, messing up a little there, I feel like maybe. Parts of those fall out. So I don't know. We're just gonna have to see. And I almost feel the need to hold it. Yeah, see how that could be a problem. Oh boy, yeah, no. I mean, am I missing something? Like this would never work. I mean, this is just, no. Like it's not gonna stay down. Am I really, I mean, maybe I totally missed something. Oh yeah, yeah, not good, not good, not good. Oh dear, I can't, yeah, it's just sliding, no, okay. I mean, I get the concept, and I do see how it would work, but it is gonna have to be held in there somehow. like that's just never gonna work. And I think it was cutting way too deep possibly. Like look how it cut into there already. And oh my goodness, it took me forever to get this mat. I do not want to ruin this mat because of, it took like 2 weeks to get here. That is a no-go. So, that was my first attempt. Not amazing. Not amazing. All right, since my first attempt did not go so well, I decided to take a little bit of time to look at some instructions. So I simply searched YouTube for how to make a card with the Cricut Joy, and in about 2 minutes, I discovered what my problem was. So this mat right here is supposed to be adhesive. So there is a protective layer on here that I didn't remove, and it was making the card move. Therefore, don't forget to take off the protective covering. And so now this is gonna stick and not really move, and I think it will be much better. All right, so, and that's on there, I think pretty good. Maybe I should make it like really, okay, yeah, that looks good. Then I've stuck it down pretty firmly. Then I'm gonna go back to my computer, and I will make this card. So I click make it, and then I will select that it is the insert card, and then I'll load the material, which is the next thing I'm supposed to do. Okay, I'm gonna make sure that it's in there correctly, and then I click go. Yep, it looks good. Oh, it's already doing way better because it's not moving around. So definitely make sure you take off the protective and it's sticky on there. Keep the card held down. Get you a little bit closer so you can see. And really you can put lots of different colors under here, but this is the one that came with it, like a shiny, silvery. So that'll be fun. It's at about 40% cut. I like how it tells you kind of how far it is. And it's just so quick and easy. Like you literally have the card already cut for you, and it doesn't take up much space. So you can have these cards and this machine in very little space and just put together a card in like 5 minutes. And like how quick and easy, they have all different colors, and some of them even do the writing with the card. So easy. And like I think it could just fit down there. So like right here, you know, wherever I need. And they have little rolls of vinyl you stick in with no mat. Alright, we're 95% done. Okay, we're almost ready for it to come out. Yeah. Then you have to click unload on the computer, and it took out the mat. Oh, this is looking so nice. And then I'm just slowly lifting up, and it kind of self-weeds a little bit since it is sticky. So it's gonna be amazing how fast this is. I'm just gently kind of pulling it up. Look at that. So it left most of the weeding down there. Then look at that. So we've only got a couple little parts to kind of punch out there. And then when it looks really cool, let's make sure we get all the parts out. First, there's some holes. They do have these little tools, which I don't have down here with me, or it would make it a lot easier. Okay, so that's pretty close to getting everything weeded all. Then I think all the cards have this slots for you to insert the backing. So you just stick it in here, and like it really is unreal how quick and easy it is to make a card. Okay, and look, that's it, it's done. It's like shiny under there. And yeah, that's all there is to it.